How to delay auto answer on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility. So you will see accessibility is here, so click on accessibility. Now here, so click on interaction and dexterity. So after click on interaction and dexterity, click on answer and ending calls. So after click on answer and ending calls, so click on answer automatically. So after click on answer and automatically, so if you want to daily auto answer, delay auto answer, so you will select 2 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds and custom time from here. So after selecting time, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can delay auto answer on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.